Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Moody's Investor Service reports that only 20% of Jamaican residential properties are insured, and of those, 95% are underinsured, meaning homeowners would not receive enough insurance payouts to rebuild their homes. The International Credit Rating Agency noted to RJR News that most of the insured buildings are structurally sound and able to withstand natural disasters such as hurricanes and earthquakes. However, Moody's pointed out that the majority of uninsured homes were not built to hurricane or earthquake resistant standards and were completely destroyed by Hurricane Melissa. The agency noted that most of the country's hotels are fully insured, given their critical roles in the national economy. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange reported a mixed bag of results. Mail Pack Group Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ending September 30, 2025 reports 9 months net profit of $248.15 million. NCB Financial Group Limited unaudited financials for the year ended September 30, 2025 reports 73% increase in 12 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Kingston Properties Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports 9 months net profit of US $776,790. Jamaica Broilers Group Limited audited financials for the year ended May 3, 2025 reports a 142% increase in year-end net loss. For the trading period ending November 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Radio Jamaica Limited with 15,405,925 units, representing 47.67% of market sales volume. One Great Studio Company Limited with 4,081,667 units, representing 12.63% of market sales volume. Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,907,168 units, representing 5.90% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 14, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $54.27 million purchased and US $42.98 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.91 per dollar, selling the US at $159.87 and buying the US at $161.65. The Canadian dollar netted traders $1.44 per transaction, with selling at $118.05 and buying at $112.06. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.12 in profits, with selling at $211.45 and buying at $213.16. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.